Have you ever met an animal so chill that every other creature seems to want to hang out with it? A creature that can live peacefully with monkeys, turtles, ducks, even crocodiles, and somehow no one messes with it. That animal is the capybara, the undisputed king of calm, the unbothered boss of the animal world. They've become an internet sensation, with memes showing them just sitting there, eyes half closed, surrounded by chaos, completely relaxed. But beyond the memes, the capybara has a story filled with fascinating biology, unusual habits, and a philosophy of life we could all learn from. So today, we're exploring 10 facts about capybaras that will completely change how you see them. Let's dive in. First up, the capybara is the largest rodent on Earth. Imagine a guinea pig now, stretch it out to about 4 feet long and give it the weight of a full-grown golden retriever. That's right, adult capybaras can weigh up to 150 pounds. Despite being rodents, they're nothing like rats or mice. Their calm faces and slow movements give them the personality of a wise old monk. They belong to the same family as guinea pigs, which explains their familiar squeaky charm, but their massive size makes them truly unique. Fact number 2. Capybaras are nature's amphibious champions. They're semi-aquatic, perfectly adapted for both swimming and lounging on land. Their webbed feet make them powerful swimmers, gliding through rivers and ponds with grace. When danger approaches, maybe a jaguar or an anaconda, they simply slip underwater and can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes. Even their eyes, ears, and nostrils are cleverly positioned on top of their heads, so they can stay mostly submerged, while keeping an eye on their surroundings. They don't just love the water, they live for it. Next, let's talk about the rule of the herd. Capybaras are highly social creatures. They live in groups that can include anywhere from 10 to over 100 individuals. Their social lives are built around cooperation and communication. There's usually a dominant male who leads the group, but power struggles are rare. Instead of fighting, they maintain order through quiet respect and shared responsibilities. Herd has lookouts that warn others when danger is near. A sharp bark signals everyone to dash for safety in the water. It's teamwork at its finest, and it's one of the secrets to their survival. Which brings us to fact number 4. Everyone's best friend. No animal has a better reputation for being friendly than the capybara. They have an incredible tolerance for other species. Birds perch on their backs, monkeys groom them, turtles rest beside them, and through it all, the capybara just keeps chilling. They don't bite, hiss, or chase, they simply coexist. These easygoing nature has made them the internet's favorite peaceful king and a symbol of calm companionship. In a world full of tension, the capybara's gentle attitude feels like a reminder that harmony is possible. And that leads perfectly into fact 5. They are the Zen masters of nature. Capybaras are perhaps the calmest animals you'll ever encounter. Even when food is scarce, they don't fight. They share space, they share snacks, and they avoid confrontation whenever possible. Their low-stress attitude might even have biological benefits. Stress hormones are lower in capybaras compared to many other mammals of their size. They've turned relaxation into an evolutionary strategy. If chill were a superpower, the capybara would be its superhero. Okay, let's get into a strange one. Fact 6. The secret to their diet. Capybaras are strict vegetarians, feeding on grass, aquatic plants, and fruit. But there's something unusual and a little gross about how they digest their food. They eat their own poop. Yes, really. It's called coprophagy, and it's a way of redigesting food to absorb every bit of nutrition possible. Their first round of digestion breaks down the tough cellulose in plants, and the second round pulls out the vitamins their bodies missed. It's not glamorous, but it's efficient. Nature doesn't waste a thing. You might think of capybaras as silent, but they're actually surprisingly chatty creatures. That's fact number 7. They communicate using purrs, barks, clicks, whistles, and chirps, each with its own meaning. Mothers call their babies with gentle whistles, groups alert each other with sharp barks, and content capybaras emit a low, soothing purr. Their voices build bonds within the herd and help keep everyone connected. It's like living inside a constant, but very calm, capybara-style conversation. Fact 8. Family comes first. When baby capybaras called pups are born, they're already fully furred, with open eyes and strong little legs. Within a week, they start grazing on grass. But here's what makes them special. The entire herd helps raise them. Mothers nurse each other's pups, and every adult keeps watch for danger. It's a community effort. No baby capybara grows up alone. Their family structure is built on care, not competition, which is part of what makes their society so peaceful. Now for fact number 9. .com doesn't mean slow. Despite their laid-back reputation, capybaras can move fast when they need to. They can sprint at speeds of up to 22 miles per hour, about as fast as a horse at a light trot. When threatened, they rush toward the water, diving in to escape predators. Their strength, speed, and swimming ability make them surprisingly tough survivors. They might look like fuzzy beanbags, but underestimate them, and they'll leave you in a splash. And our final fact, number 10, is about humans and capybaras. Native to South America, they've adapted so well to human environments that in some cities, they wander through parks and golf courses. But they've become true superstars in Japan's zoos and hot springs, literally soaking in warm baths while people watch in awe. There's something magical about seeing an animal so content, just floating there with its eyes closed, steam rising all around. They've turned relaxation into performance art. And for a little extra, here's a bonus fact for you. One of the strangest stories in animal history. Centuries ago, Catholic missionaries in South America faced a dilemma during Lent, when people weren't allowed to eat meat. The locals loved eating capybara. So after some debate, the church declared that because capybaras spent so much time in water, they could be classified as fish. That's Rita 150-pound rodent was officially considered a fish, just so people could keep eating it. A bizarre twist that shows just how unique this animal is. The capybara isn't just an animal, it's a lesson. It teaches us that strength doesn't have to be loud, and peace doesn't mean weakness. It shows us that community, kindness, and calm can be the most powerful survival tools of all. In a noisy, fast, competitive world, maybe we all need to be a little more like the capybara Unbothered kind. And still, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed learning about the quiet wisdom of the capybara, make sure to subscribe for more animal stories that'll make you see nature differently. Stay chill like a capybara.